everyone, I am doing a closet clean out video.
Vampire color coupe, me and Stacy. Dash on a bitch, I don't care if niggas hate me. X6 lift, no belt, no safety. Bag on a bitch if the bitch wanna chase me. She wanna fuck, but that bitch not a 10 though. Please back up, bitch, hands out the benzo. Bitch got mad, put a stain on my window.
This is my closet, and this is my room. I don't usually show my room because like I share a room, so whatever. But this is my closet right here. That's my sister's closet, which doesn't really matter. But today I'm just gonna be doing a video on me cleaning out my closet because I actually do have kind of a lot of clothes, but it's not a lot to me because I don't wear them all. You see the problem here? So I'm gonna have to clean out my closet, especially because I'm about to go to college and I don't want to just have too much stuff, like, you know what I'm saying. Let's go. I'm gonna take you inside of my closet. Now my closet doesn't have a light because it broke, so oh, and I also share a closet, so yeah. But this is my side of the closet basically. Like, this is all my stuff, and then I have like a little nightstand down here, but that just has my pants in it. I don't really feel like showing that. But I have that, and then I also have a dresser, a small little dresser over here. Like, I have this little dresser right here. Ignore the paint, it used to be my little sister's and I stole it from her. That has my clothes in it too. So basically we're just gonna start cleaning it out. I'm gonna do shirts, pants, dresses, everything, and even down to my socks because my sock drawer is becoming humongous. So let's get started. Oh, also I forgot to say, ignore this stuff hanging on my closet. This is just like stuff I have to go through, but so let's go. So I basically emptied out my closet. I put my dresses right here, pants and jeans and stuff over there. All my shirts are right here, and then like some business clothes because like businesswoman. This is my stack of shirts. Like, why is it so high? This is my pants, this is my shirts, and that's my business stuff and dresses. Like, it's crazy. Just want you guys to know that I emptied it out. So let's get going. First, I'm gonna get started with dresses. I have this dress. I think it's cute. I was gonna try everything on, but I don't really feel like doing that. So, dress is new. I'm gonna keep this one. I think it's from like Olive LA or whatever. If you know that store, like I know it's in Maryland. I don't know where else is at, but you know. I just wore this dress the other day. It's from Forever 21. Okay, this dress I wore I think like once or twice. I think I wore it in like 10th grade to homecoming or something. But I mean, I like it, but I might sell it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep that. Ooh, I feel so bad. This is my showstopper 11th grade homecoming dress. Oh girl, I walked in there, I was like, I have this dress from Forever 21. I actually really like this dress. It's cute and short. I feel like I just got it. I don't have that many dresses, so I don't really think I'm gonna get rid of them because I don't have that many. Like, this is the last one right here. It's purple. It's long. It's cute. It's very formal. Like, I wore it to my sister's graduation, I think. And I think it's from Forever 21. I get a lot of dresses from Forever 21. I know Forever 21 is like not in style or whatever, but whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna do pants. And I know for sure I'm gonna get rid of some of my pants because I need some new pants. Like, I've had these pants for a long time. They're like black jeans, but the material they're like kind of businessy. They are from H&M. Yeah, they're from H&M. I think I'm gonna keep these for now, only because like they're a good pair of black jeans. And these are my other black pants. They're more like a, I don't know if it's called like a boyfriend jean or whatever. Definitely keeping these. I just got these pants. They're from Pretty Little Thing. I like them, but like, I don't know. I'm gonna keep them for now. Biker shorts. I feel like everyone needs to keep all their biker shorts. They're just little biker shorts. It's from Forever 21. This skirt is like a wraparound skirt. I think I might sell that actually. These are some other black jeans. However, they have rips in the knees. I'm gonna keep these until I get some new ones. I just got these. These are from Target. These are one of my favorite pair of jeans actually. Distressed denim. Keep those. I'm probably gonna keep a lot of my jeans because honestly I don't think I have that many. So these I wear these a lot. I think they're from like Fashion Nova. I think my mom got these from. I wear these a lot, so I'm gonna keep them. It's time to get rid of these. I've had these since like 8th grade and I'm going to college, so this is another wraparound skirt, but I like this one a lot better than the other one, and I'm getting rid of the other one, so I think I might keep this one simply because it's kind of cute. I have another like boyfriend jean or whatever. I need to try these on to see if I'll keep them. We'll put these in a maybe pile. I have my purple, like, they're kind of like cargo, but not really. They're like a little bit of a cargo pant. Keep these. Blue jeans. These fit me really well. from Fashion Nova or whatever. So keeping those. I don't really wear these. Like, I feel kind of bad, but I don't really wear these. So I think I'm gonna get rid of those. These I do like, but they like look kind of old. So I think I'll get rid of these. I don't really need them, to be honest. These are from Target. They're one of my favorite pants. They have this little stripe down the side. They're really tight, so I'm gonna wear them while I can. Yeah, we'll see. These pants are from Fashion Nova, I think, but they're like the butt jeans, and like these type of jeans have this little line right here, whatever, and I really don't like it. So I'm getting rid of those. These are from Forever 21. I love them. They're so cute. They're kind of like flare at the bottom, but not really. Keeping these. I wear these almost every week, so keeping those. I used to wear these. They're like color skinny pants, and it's not 2010, so I'm getting rid of those. My hair keeps getting caught in my lip gloss. Oh! These are some shorts that I got. They're from Target. I like them. They're like to your knee or whatever. Keeping those. Last but not least, I have this green pair of biker shorts. Keeping those. And my black biker shorts. Keeping those. And both of those are from Forever 21. Next, we're going to move on to shirts. So with these shirts, I do have a couple of two-piece sets, and I know I'm going to get rid of a lot of these because I have way too many and I don't need them. This one I just bought and I never got to wear because Corona. I love it still, and I'm gonna wear it, period. This I also just got some Forever 21. It was cheap. It was like $3, I think. Oh, it's from H&M. I have to like resize it or whatever, but I just got it, so. Keep. These are my Kent State shirts. Keep. This is from Target. I got a whole bunch of little tank tops recently, and I just wore it, and I love it. It's so simple, but like, it's really cute. Keep. This is also from Target, and I just got it, and I'm just gonna cut it like really in half. I'm not gonna wear it how it is because like I'm a fashionista, so. This is a sweater my mother got me. I feel bad because I've actually never worn it, but it is cute. It just fits me funny. Like I look like an elephant or whatever. We're getting rid of it. This is a business shirt. Button down, nice button down. I recommend keeping a lot of your business clothes just so you don't have to buy them anymore. This is my Maryland, like, I don't even know what this is called, but like, I wear it a lot. Keeping it. Teen Titans shirt. I got this from Hot Topic. Oh, I get a lot of shirts from Hot Topic because, or at least graphic t-shirts because they're so cute. Hot Topic really be where it's at, but it does have an acquired taste. This is also a business shirt. I used to wear it to work. I used to work at a hotel and I had to dress business casual. So this is like a dress. Cute. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. It's just plain black. It's kind of like a sweater. I don't really know. This is my Wizards shirt and I'm gonna keep it. This shirt is from Forever 21. I love it. I wear this shirt a lot. So this is a sweater. I think it's from Marshalls or Ross, to be honest. It's cute, but it has like this on the back, and I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I used to wear that joint all the time. This is my Empower Girls YWCA sweater. Keeping that. Hello. A Nickelodeon sweater that my mama just got me for Christmas. Not just got me, but yeah. Keeping it. This is my big orange H&M sweater that everyone has, so keeping it. Next we have this Tupac shirt. I mean, that's so embarrassing. This is Ice Cube. And my turtleneck. I have a lot of turtlenecks, so I'm keeping these. This is a sweater my little sister got me. I'm keeping it. I'll just wear it in the house or whatever, but she got it for me. I'm gonna keep it. It's cute. Found a hidden dress. It makes me look snatched, so we're keeping this. Business shirt. This I've had since the beginning of time. You see, my favorite. I think it's time to get rid of it. I gotta stop hoarding my clothes, you know? I wear this shirt in the house. It's cute. Don't care. It has a rainbow on it. Keeping it. This sweater I believe I just got. My mama got it for me. From Express. I'm gonna keep it. Like, it can be kind of businessy, you know? Turtleneck from H&M. Keeping it. Business shirt. Keeping it. Spelman sweater. I thought I was going to Spelman in 10th grade. Little did I know that has nothing to do with what I want to do. So we're just gonna get rid of that. This is also a business shirt. I don't really think I'm gonna wear it though. It can be cute to other people. It's cute to me, but like I wouldn't wear it like regular. So I'm selling it. Pink sweater. Keeping it. Turtleneck. Keeping it. This is a shirt from Shein. It like wraps around. So cute. Keeping it. Raider Nation from my high school. Keeping it. I also got this from Shein, and it was cute when I bought it. Like I thought it was cute, but like a week later I didn't want it anymore. I still think it's cute, however it doesn't really match the style that I'm going for. I'm about to be like a whole like new person, so gonna get rid of it. This new sweater is from H&M. Keeping it. Look at this shirt. Keeping it. It's so cute. Shirt that I cut in half. Keeping it. Annabelle from Hot Topic, my favorite. Keeping it. This is actually my friend Golden Tati, as you all know her, but her name is Tatiana. This is her merch. It's so cute. Keeping it. Stevenson University shirt. I also thought I was going here. Getting rid of it. turtleneck, keeping it. Keeping it. Love this shirt. It's from Shein, keeping it. This is actually a shirt that was like a trial shirt that I just customized. Like I painted it and put on some little stuff, you know. So my friend Ross and the people at AFR, follow me on Instagram and you will know what I'm talking about. This Pink Elephant Skate Club, keeping it. Use that shirt to paint in because like why not? A pink dolphin shirt from Zoomies, I think. Keeping it. Quinn, Hot Topic, keeping it. I think I actually got this shirt from Urban Outfitters. This might be the only thing I ever bought from there. But I'm gonna keep it. Grandpa sweater that I got thrifted, keeping it. I got this shirt from Shein, keeping it. Here's a tank top that I think it's from Forever 21. Yeah, it's from Forever 21. Keeping it. It's like my Shein cropped like Sherpa thing, keeping it. Another Kent State shirt, just got it, so I'm keeping it. Goodness gracious, I'm tired. These are my bodysuits. I just keep them on the same hanger. This is a nude one and this is like a flower one. I'm gonna keep these. This is from Hot Topic. Oh goodness, I found another dress. This is really cute. It's like off the shoulder. I don't really remember where it's from. I think my sister gave it to me, but I'm gonna keep it. This is a bodysuit that I think it's from H&M, but I don't really wear it anymore, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. My Dirk, I don't really know what that means, but this is my Dirk sweater and I'm gonna keep it. Turtleneck, keeping it. I got this from Shein, I think. Oh, Forever 21, my bad. Forever 21, keeping it. I like it. It's retro. This is a two-piece. It's just like a regular orange shirt and a skirt. I'm gonna keep it. This is like my tracksuit. I kind of like it still. I just kind of got it. It's from Shein. Keeping it. I just got this yellow shirt from Target and I'm gonna keep it. This shirt is the Nun. It's from Hot Topic and I'm gonna keep it. It's from Forever 21. It was like $20. I got it in New York City. Keeping it. This is Woodstock 1976. This is from Ross. Cute. Keeping it. This is from Shein. I think I might actually get rid of that. This is from Shein. It's cute. Keeping it. And last for the shirts is the C'est La Vie shirt from Shein and we're keeping it. And that is it for my shirts, people. So just to update you, this is the going away pile. These are the keep piles. And then my dresses are hanging right here. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go through my business clothes. So I keep them like all in one hanger. This is a pencil skirt with lace on it. I'm not gonna get rid of that because I can't really fit it anymore. This nude skirt, I love it. Keeping it. Pants with a yellow stripe, they're really cute. Keeping it. And this is just a regular black pencil skirt because you always need a regular black pencil skirt for business, always. And this is the second hanger. I know they're on wire hangers, don't judge me. They're just like in the back of my closet. From H&M, I believe. But they're a little too big. I'm gonna get rid of them. This skirt is green. It's really cute. It has a slit, but I also can't really fit it, so I'm getting rid of it. This is a green pencil skirt, just plain green. I'm gonna keep it. This is like a long skirt. It has a slit up it. It's cute, but I haven't worn it in a long time, so I keep it for now. I'm gonna try it on. I can't fit this. It's like a dress. I like wear it over something, but we're gonna get rid of it. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a dress. Oh, this is cute. It's a whole dress. Like, it's just a tube dress. It's cute. Keeping it, but I'm gonna put it here. This green pencil skirt, I'm gonna keep it. And that is it for my closet. Sorry, last but not least, there's this pencil skirt. It has a slit up it, but that's it for my closet. So for my drawers over there, I mean, like, I just wear like loungewear and stuff in there, like practice wear. And I actually just went through those drawers. I forgot, but I just went through those drawers, so I'm not gonna go through those because I know I'm gonna keep that stuff. But I am gonna go through my socks because that drawer doesn't even barely close. So. Alright, so I did bring you guys a little closer because my legs are starting to hurt, so I sat down. I'm going to do my sock collection now. I feel like this is a lot of socks. Like, I know my sock drawer is not that big, but this is a lot of socks. First, I keep a pair of like dad socks is what I call them. I'm just gonna keep those. I have a lot of little socks like these that I keep. They're just ankle socks, but I don't really wear them. Like, I just wear them in the house. I don't really wear ankle socks because like they're just not stylish. I just got these Pride socks from Target. I also keep some bralettes in this drawer, so we're gonna go through those too. This is a bralette that I have. I'm gonna keep it. It's cute. I feel like it's kind of like sporty, so I could like work out in it. Not it by itself, but like wear it under something. Dad socks. I'm just gonna do all of my dad socks. These are my dad socks. I feel like I should keep a lot of them, but not all of them necessarily because they're kind of the same thing. So I have about 4 pairs of these. They're the ones that are like up your ankle a little bit, you know. You just have some leftover ones. I'm just not gonna keep. Sorry if I'm not looking at the screen because I'm just looking down because they're socks. These are some St. Patrick's Day socks that I got. I just got them. Any new socks that I just got, I'm gonna keep. This is a pair of new socks. They're ankle socks, but they're like dad sock ankle socks. I'm gonna keep those. This is a bra, I think. I guess I'll keep it. I don't really wear bras. Like, honestly, if you don't know by now, I don't wear bras. Sorry if you can see my nipples, they're kind of big, but I don't really wear bras because I don't have any boobs, so what's the point? Next, I have all my New York City socks. They're like from H&M, and I call them New York City socks because like they say NYC on them. There's like these gray ones, white words, black ones with white words, other gray ones with white words, and then yeah. I'm gonna keep these. These are new. I actually just got them. That's why they look so new. These are my first like rainbow socks. They're a little dirty though. I don't know why they're dirty because I haven't worn them. But I'm gonna keep those. They're just like some colorful ankle socks just to have. So I am gonna keep a few of those. But I have a lot of these ankle socks, so I'm definitely not gonna keep all of them. That's just unnecessary. Christmas socks, keeping them more cuter. St. Patrick's Day socks. Okay, so yes, I do get socks for holidays because that's cute. Like, why not? That's cute. So I have some more dad socks, but they're black. So I have like And One. I don't know if y'all know what that is. It's like a really old brand, but I have like these And One dad socks. Are my black dad socks. Keeping them. I have these extra long knee socks. I don't even know I have those. And I'm not selling any of my socks, by the way. I just am gonna throw them away or give them to my little sister or whatever. Ankle socks, ankle socks. These are my class of 2020 socks for Party City. I've had them since freshman year, and they are OG socks. We're gonna keep them. Ankle socks. This bralette that I actually used to wear a lot. I'm gonna keep it because I'm still gonna keep wearing it. This is a bralette. I think I have never wore this one. I'm gonna keep it though. It's kind of cute. These are just like random socks. Like I don't even know what to do with these bralettes. I think I'm gonna keep those. The thing that's taking up the most space in my drawers is these dang dad socks. Like I have some fuzzy socks, but I don't know where the other one's at. So I just got these socks from Walmart. No bad days. Come on now, they're kind of cute. Like another bralette, gonna keep it. Dad socks that I'm not keeping. Shots. These are my last couple of socks. They're just black and whatever this is. We're just gonna keep those. I feel like it's fine to keep a lot of socks because they're just socks. Like you always need socks. And that is it. So you're nearing the end of this video. I have cleaned all of my closet out. I'm just gonna put everything back, and I feel like I got rid of a good amount of stuff. Like it's not like 5 things. It's like a lot of things. Kind of like 10. But yeah, I got rid of enough things, and I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.